OpenClaw is everywhere right now. Over 250,000 GitHub stars in under 4 months. It passed React, it passed Linux. It's the fastest growing open source project in history. But strip away the hype, and what actually is it? OpenClaw is a free, open source AI agent that runs on your own hardware, a Mac or Windows PC, or a cheap cloud VPS. You talk to it through the messaging apps you already use, or a web browser. But it doesn't just talk. It does things. It can read your email, manage your calendar, write and run code, control your browser, create files, and execute tasks on your computer, all autonomously. You text it a request from your phone, and it gets to work on the machine it's running on, even if you're on the other side of the world. At the heart of OpenClaw is something called the Gateway, a service that runs constantly on your machine. It connects your messaging apps to an AI model of your choice. You can use Claude, GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, or even run a local open source model. You bring your own API key, or your own hardware. 3 things make OpenClaw genuinely different from the AI tools that came before it. First, persistent memory. OpenClaw remembers everything across sessions. Your preferences, your ongoing projects, your past conversations, it's all stored in simple markdown files on your machine. It doesn't start from scratch every time you talk to it. Second, proactive behavior. OpenClaw has what's called a heartbeat, a cron job that runs every 30 minutes. It checks its own files and decides if there's something it should be doing for you. Third, extensibility. There's a skill marketplace called ClawHub with thousands of community-built plugins. Skills let your agent do everything from web scraping to smart home control to competitive analysis. But be careful what you allow it access to. OpenClaw requires serious permissions to work. That makes security a genuine concern, not an afterthought. The project was created by Austrian developer Peter Steinberger, who has since joined OpenAI. OpenClaw now runs under an independent open source foundation. So that's what OpenClaw actually is, an AI agent with hands, memory, and initiative, running on your own hardware. Whether that excites you or terrifies you probably depends on how you feel about giving an AI the keys to your digital life. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it's free. See you in the next one.